Hi friends, welcome to Indian Engineer Vlogs, ATM Service Engineer. Join me for ATM repairs, engineering work, technology updates, and daily field service adventures. Let's begin. And subscribe to my channel to new information. Let's go. An automated teller machine ATM is a computerized telecommunications device that provides users with access to financial transactions in a public space without the need for a human clerk or bank teller. Here is a detailed, step-by-step breakdown of how an ATM works, from its internal components to its network communication and security mechanisms. 1. The core components of an ATM. To understand how an ATM works, it helps to look at it as two main parts: the input by output devices, what you see and touch, and the internal mechanisms, the secure vault inside. Input devices are a card reader. This reads the data stored on the magnetic stripe or the EMV chip of your debit by credit card. Keypad, PIN pad, a highly secure, encrypted keypad where you enter your personal identification number, PIN, and transaction amounts. Touchscreen by buttons, used to navigate the menus, select account types, savings by current, and choose services. Output devices, screen, displays instructions, prompts, and account information. Cash dispenser, the mechanism that physically counts and hands over the banknotes. Receipt printer, prints a physical record of your transaction. Speaker, provides audio prompts especially helpful for visually impaired users. The internal vault, cash cassettes, removable boxes inside a highly secure steel vault that hold thousands of banknotes. ATMs usually have multiple cassettes, each dedicated to a specific denomination, for example, 10 US dollars, 20 US dollars, 50 US dollars, or 100 rupees, 500 rupees. Reject bin, a special internal compartment where the ATM drops notes that are damaged, stuck together, or forgotten by the user. 2. Step-by-step transaction flow. When you walk up to an ATM to withdraw cash, a complex sequence of electronic and mechanical events happens in a matter of seconds. Step 1. Card authentication. When you insert your card, the card reader captures your account number and banking network details. Magnetic stripe contains static data. EMV chip generates a unique, one-time transaction code, making it much more secure against skimming. Step 2. PIN verification. The ATM prompts you for your PIN. When you type it, the ATM does not store it. Instead, the encrypted PIN pad EPP instantly encrypts the numbers into a secure code using triple DES or AES encryption before sending it further. You are doing any work, you must do it with full focus, dedication, and a positive mindset. When your mind is completely involved in the task, the quality of your work improves and the chances of success become much higher. Many people start a job with enthusiasm, but they lose concentration after some time. As a result, mistakes happen, productivity decreases, and the work remains incomplete. Success in any field requires patience, consistency, and commitment. Whether you are an engineer, student, salesperson, or business owner, giving your full attention to your work is essential. When you work with interest and determination, challenges become easier to handle, and you learn new skills along the way. On the other hand, if you work carelessly or without interest, even simple tasks can become difficult. A focused mind helps you make better decisions, solve problems effectively, and achieve your goals faster. Every successful person understands the importance of staying committed to their work. Therefore, whenever you start a task, give it your best effort and complete it with sincerity. Remember, hard work alone is not enough. Hard work combined with focus and dedication is what leads to excellent results and long-term success. A job done with full commitment always brings satisfaction and creates opportunities for future growth. My personal life is simple and focused on growth, learning, and maintaining a healthy balance between work and family. I believe that personal development is just as important as professional success. In my free time, I enjoy learning new skills, watching educational videos, and exploring technology-related topics. These activities help me stay updated and improve my knowledge. I also value spending quality time with my family and friends. Their support and encouragement motivate me to work hard and achieve my goals. I believe that strong relationships are an important part of a happy and successful life. Maintaining good health is another priority for me. I try to follow a healthy routine, stay active, and manage my time effectively. This helps me remain productive and focused in my daily activities. I am a positive and hardworking person who enjoys facing new challenges and learning from different experiences. Every day is an opportunity for me to grow and become a better version of myself. I believe in honesty, discipline, and continuous improvement. These values guide my decisions and help me move forward in life with confidence and determination. My goal is to build a successful career while maintaining a balanced, meaningful, and fulfilling personal life. I will continue making videos regularly and sharing my journey with everyone. My goal is to create useful, interesting, and inspiring content for my audience. Every video is a new opportunity to learn, improve, and connect with people from different places. As an engineer, I want to show real-life experiences, technical work, problem solving, and daily challenges through my videos. The support, motivation, and guidance I receive help me stay focused and keep moving forward. Creating content is not always easy, but consistency, hard work, and passion make a big difference. I believe that every small step today can lead to bigger achievements in the future. I will keep learning new skills, improving my video quality, and bringing better content to my viewers. Thank you to everyone who watches, likes, comments, and supports my channel. Your encouragement means a lot to me. Hello everyone, welcome to Indian Engineer Vlogs. I'm an engineer from India, and on this channel you'll see my daily work life, engineering projects, ATM machine servicing, technical troubleshooting, travel experiences, and behind-the-scenes moments from an engineer's journey. If you're interested in technology, engineering, problem solving, and real-life fieldwork, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Indian Engineer Vlogs for exciting videos every week. Let's explore the world of engineering together. My personal life is simple and focused on growth, learning, and maintaining a healthy balance between work and family. I believe that personal development is just as important as professional success. In my free time, I enjoy learning new skills, watching educational videos, and exploring technology-related topics. These activities help me stay updated and improve my knowledge. I also value spending quality time with my family and friends. Their support and encouragement motivate me to work hard and achieve my goals. I believe that strong relationships are an important part of a happy and successful life. Maintaining good health is another priority for me. I try to follow a healthy routine, stay active, and manage my time effectively. This helps me remain productive and focused in my daily activities. I am a positive and hardworking person who enjoys facing new challenges and learning from different experiences. Every day is an opportunity for me to grow and become a better version of myself. I believe in honesty, discipline, and continuous improvement. These values guide my decisions and help me move forward in life with confidence and determination. My goal is to build a successful career while maintaining a balanced, meaningful, and fulfilling personal life. This is how I work. Come and see for yourself how the job is done. I always focus on quality, accuracy, and efficiency while performing my duties. Every task requires proper attention, technical knowledge, and problem-solving skills. Whether it is troubleshooting, maintenance, inspection, or customer support, I follow the correct procedures to ensure the best results. I believe that practical work speaks louder than words, so I prefer to demonstrate my skills through action. By observing my work, you can understand the effort, dedication, and professionalism involved in completing each task. I continuously learn new techniques and improve my knowledge to deliver better performance. My goal is to complete every assignment safely, efficiently, and on time. If you want to know how the work is actually done, come and watch the process. You will see the planning, execution, and attention to detail that go into every job. This is not just a job for me, it is a responsibility that I take seriously.